The treadmill at your gym, the machine you pay to walk on, was invented as a punishment device. Its purpose? To break prisoners. Stick around for the story. We go back to 1818. An English engineer, Sir William Cubitt, invents the prison treadwheel. Picture a giant rotating staircase, a massive paddle wheel of steps, nicknamed the everlasting staircase. Convicts were forced to climb for hours a day. At the ring of a bell, they'd rotate, climbing roughly 2,500 feet every single hour. Now, sometimes this huge wheel ground grain or pumped water. But here's the truly dark part. Often, it powered nothing at all. Prisoners had a name for it: grinding the wind. They were exhausting themselves to turn a machine that produced absolutely nothing. The suffering was the point. The idea crossed the Atlantic. The first American treadwheel appeared in a New York jail in 1822, and the concept spread through prisons for decades. But injuries and public outrage grew. Finally, Britain's Prisons Act of 1898 effectively banned the device. The prison treadmill vanished. But it wasn't gone for good. Half a century later, doctors rebuilt it. A motorized version was created in the 1950s, not for punishment, but to test patients' hearts. Then, in the late 1960s, the jogging and fitness boom turned that medical device into a home exercise machine. The punishment device became a product people actually wanted. So, a machine invented to force idle men to march in place as punishment is now something millions of us pay to march in place on. Same motion, completely opposite meaning. Every ordinary thing has a hidden past. Follow Weird Origins to find out yours.